Hi, welcome to my video. To start, go to our download page. Tell us which product and version you need. Select Search and then Download. Once you download QuickBooks, you're ready to install. If the installation doesn't start automatically, select your install file from your desktop or the location you downloaded it to. Select Next on the install wizard. Once you read the license agreement, select Accept and Continue. Enter your license and product numbers. If you don't have them handy, you can select Locate your license/product number. This will take you to a page where you can enter your business phone number to get your license and product number, or log into your Intuit account to find them. Enter your license and product number and select Next. Select the first option to install on a standalone machine or workstation. This is the most common option. If you want to install on a server, select Custom and Network options to learn more about these different options. Select Explain these choices in detail. You'll find the info you need to make the best decision for your environment. Select Next when you're ready. If you've already installed a version of QuickBooks on this computer, you may see a screen to upgrade or change the installation location. QuickBooks will install automatically. Select Open QuickBooks. Note that if you are installing QuickBooks for the first time, you will be prompted to reboot your computer. To use QuickBooks without disruption and receive software updates, activate your QuickBooks desktop. Select Begin Activation. You're all set. You can now create, open, or upgrade your company file in your new version of QuickBooks.